Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for News. Today we'll discuss about access the file in Google Drive. Access the file in Google Drive. First, visit Google Drive and sign in if necessary. Second, navigate to my drive on the left and the recording left and look for the Meet recordings folder on the right, and third, it may take several minutes for the recording to appear. If you do not already have a Meet recordings folder in Google Drive, will create one. Number 4, you will see the recording title with the meeting identifier along with the date and time. If chat took place during the meetings, you'd see this as a separate text file. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.